The small friend formula for adding 1 is equal to plus 5 minus 4. It can also be written as minus 4 plus 5. Let's have a look at some examples. 84 plus 1. Now 1 cannot be added directly as we don't have enough beats in the lower deck. And the big friend formula for adding 1 is plus 10 minus 9. Again, we don't have 9 beats to subtract. So we will seek help from the small friend formula. Plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 85. 94 plus 1. Again, 1 cannot be added directly. And the big friend formula for adding 1 is plus 10 minus 9. We don't have 9 beats on the ones place that we can subtract. So we will move on and seek help from the small friend formula. Plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 95.